What? What you want? Huh, mister? What? Tell me again. What? Oh. He's been following me around for 20 minutes getting ready here. He's going to go to walk on the beach before I get Lola, and this cat's bugging me. Excuse my messy bed. Say what? What? Wait. Here I am. What? You're too close. Too close. Ah, come here. What do you want? Baxter. Baxter. He's rubbing on me. What? What? You're standing on my computer. What? Up here, look. What? Oh, yeah? Who's the pretty cat? Baxter. You getting on my suitcase that I didn't finish putting away? Don't you pee in it. Yeah. Oh, it's a comfy spot, huh? Baxter. Don't lick yourself there while we're filming. Baxter. That's dirty. Really? Say bye-bye. Baxter. Say bye-bye. Okay.